Hi, I'm Paul Torgerson. It's Thursday, December 5th, 2019, and this is a look at the information security news from overnight. From ThreatPost, a previously undocumented modular loader called Buer has emerged as a lucrative tool for cybercriminals in a variety of campaigns. This turnkey off-the-shelf solution has appeared in several email campaigns and in exploit kits, downloading malware from the TrickBot banking Trojan to the KPOT information stealer. More details in the article. From TechCrunch, Sprint contractor Deardorff Communications left over 250,000 cell phone bills of AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile subscribers unprotected in an AWS bucket. There were even a few bank statements thrown in for good measure. The database was finally secured this week. No word on how long the data was exposed. From Bleeping Computer, Magicart threat actors have been spotted abusing Salesforce's Heroku cloud application platform to host their card skimming scripts and store stolen payment card information. When Salesforce was notified, they shut down the freemium accounts immediately. Guess they will have to pay for the premium versions next time. From ZDNet, the Python security team removed 2 Trojanized Python libraries from Python Package Index that were caught stealing SSH and GPG keys from the projects of infected developers. The first is Python 3 DateUtil, which imitated the popular DateUtil library, and was only up for a couple days before it was spotted and killed. The second is Jellyfish, the first L is actually an I, which mimicked the Jellyfish library and had been available for nearly a year. And last today from Bleeping Computer, UK activewear retailer Sweaty Betty is sweating it out after suffering a Magicart attack. Customers shopping online between November 19, 2019 and November 27, 2019 may have had their full credit or debit card information stolen. Sweaty Betty customers should change their password and monitor any cards they may have used. That's all for me today. Have a great rest of your day, and until tomorrow, be safe out there.